Welcome to Defense Ninja's Women's Self-Defense classes, where we teach best self-defense techniques for women that actually work. Today we are going to look at some best techniques for board breaking for beginners. This is just a walkthrough of what my students did, things that worked, things that didn't work, and I hope this can give you some insight into what perhaps you can do if this is your first time breaking a board. So enjoy.
Focus on. So what you want to do is build up the air and go. So all the energy comes to the core. Yes, exactly. You're not striking with your hand, you're striking with your core. Good. Ready? So I'm not going to look, because if I look, I might flinch. So I'm going to keep my arm locked, and you can do a couple on the side, like 2 or 3, and then do 2 or 3 here, just to feel it out a little bit. Yeah. Further, more. Because I'm doing here. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Couple on the board. Light touches, just to make sure you're getting it. Yeah, and not the elbow. Do a little bit more of the blade. Okay, ready? You already. Ready, set, go.
You did it!
Good job! That's amazing! Oh, you do already. So, yeah, so.
Right, one more time for
Yeah, so either do a pivot side kick, let me see. So, yeah, so you're on the flat part of your foot. Just pull your toes back. So, you want to come, so if you're here, right, come around. Chamber, pull your toes back, see? Okay, and then yeah, just land. Pull your toes back. Yeah! Better! Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. You have a strong kick, but try an elbow, try a couple elbows if you want to just see how that feels. Good side. Okay? You're rotating. Just
I'm trying to get it so we can see her.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. No, I'm telling she's rotating.
Oh.
So just. It always hurts when you don't break it, okay? So when you're practicing on the board, on a real board, you don't want to go full force. You just want to go in that. So that, yeah, so. Yeah. So you want to be a little bit offshoot, a little bit of an angle. Yes, good. And don't hit the board too hard, you just want to feel it out. Yeah! Make sense? So you still land in the center, you don't want to be off again. You want to be your part you're hitting with in the center. Yeah, so further down. Yeah, so we practice on the side, you don't want to be here, you want to be further out. I think you have a more powerful kick than an elbow strike. That's what I personally believe, but the only challenge is you need to hit with the heel. Yeah. What do you want to do, elbow, or you want to try your kick? Or you can do both. You can try a kick, if it doesn't work, you can do elbow. You probably want to stop.
Let me do it with the kick.
Pivot side kick? Alright, do 3 of them on the side, and I'm going to watch you, okay? So here's my position, I'm not going to move anymore, and I'm just going to watch. No,
to the side.
Off to the side, off to the side. But you want to, your target is, yeah, further in. You're too far out, further in. Take a step closer, a little bit. No. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, good. One more. Oh, don't step back. Yeah, just, there we go. Good. Take a little step, tiny step back. Yeah, you have it. Alright, now do a couple on the board, but without the force, just to feel the heel. You'll feel weird because you're stopping. It needs to feel weird. You need to feel like it's too close. Because when you actually hit, you're hitting beyond the point of the board. You don't want to feel like this is comfortable, because then you're not going to break it. So when you're practicing, I just want to see that you're touching your heel. Good. But it needs to be in the center, but that's good. Yes. Keep it higher. Good. You're keeping higher. So make sure you turn your hips more. And one more, just good. Okay, ready? Now what you're doing is, again, right? Big breath. I think it needs to be higher because you're kicking pretty high. Yeah. So you're kicking with. No, you're not getting it. You're still breathing through your chest, belly. Good. One couple more belly. Breath. Tighten your core. Okay. Ready?
No, I can't.
Just breathe in. We'll relax. Breathe. Shoulders down.
Through it. Go through it.
No, it's okay. No problem. It's a hard one. All right. You want to do one more and then try your elbow? Breathe. Take your time.
No.
Sorry. It's a tough one. You want to try elbow?
Elbow.
Elbow we'll just do once. Okay?
Okay.
So do a couple on the side 3 times. Yeah, further in.
Remember to go through the board.
Yeah. Okay, a little bit more inwards, just an inch. There we go, good. Just feet on the board first. Alright, but maybe step back. Okay. Maybe step forward. Just... Yeah. Good. Ready?
Whoa, that's too hard.
Oh, it's okay. It's a tough board.
too
It's a tough
hard,
board.
yeah.
Do you want to try, Amelia?
Sure.
Alright, you want to just hold and keep recording? What do you want to do?
What else is there besides kicks? I don't really like very kicks.
You can do a
backhand? Downwards?
You can do a punch. Yeah. Yeah, and so downwards you want to do what's it called? Hammer fist.
Oh, hammer, that would be...
Pain.
Yeah. So we don't have...
What, did you want to try hammer fist?
No, that's pain.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
But we need bricks or something to hold
Something
it.
to hold. I mean, the 2 chairs.
Yeah, in between. Or the dumbbells.
Oh,
Dumbbells?
In between.
but yeah. So yeah. So you wanna go big, and again your target this time is actually the mat. So it's it's kind of low, unfortunately. So you have to do
Spain.
Oh, is it the same side that's sore?
No. I mean, yeah.
Oh, you can do your left side if you want. If you don't want to.
I think my right side would be stronger.
Because you do have from your right hand. So
Yeah, that was actually from the floor.
you do you have a cloth we can wrap around that? No, it's okay. Do a couple. Yeah. So the snap in this needs to happen sooner. Because you're snapping right. Yeah, but you want to go all the way through. You're doing this, right? You're going. I'm doing slow motion. Snap. You see that? You see that? Okay, so you're going. You see the difference? Yeah, but you want to go all the way through. So try snap here, but touch the mat. So slow motion again. It's snap. But I went low.
That's where you want.
Yeah, you want to snap, but you keep going. Okay. So don't snap and stop. Snap and keep going. Yeah! Couple more.
You can do it. Come on.
Good. Snap, snap. Don't miss the snap. Snap, yeah. So lower my knot there. So you're powering through the whole thing, which works, except we're so low. I think you need that extra oomph towards the end. So when you're powering through, go and that little bit of the twist.
It's a core movement? Like I'm going...
Yes. It's a little more of a flinch. This flinch is a good word. So you're going. Yeah, good. But go through. So when you snap, you tend to stop here. Yeah. Okay. Ready? You can try a couple here if you want to just feel it out. Yeah, but go through. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Alright. So you want to be centered so your feet come further out? Yeah, good. Maybe even more centered. Just feel it out a little bit. Go a couple times. Good. How does that feel? You out? Yeah, that was the side yes.
Pain. You need to wrap, I think. Wrap it.
Yeah, I think let's not do it again. Okay, no. Because you already did that side a couple times. That's okay. That's
That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and post in the comments below what your thoughts are. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to get notifications when such videos are posted in the future. Have a great and empowered day. Bye bye.